What is the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. As you can see, we doing a little daytime POV drive. I know I ain't dropping a video in a minute, man. My fault, you know. Life been life and I've been working, feel me? But we almost monetized on YouTube, chat. We almost at 1,000 subs. So I just want to say thank y'all. Keep liking the video, commenting, subscribing, telling a friend to tell a friend, man. And yeah, we here. We fucking here, chat. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing. It's a beautiful day out here in New York City. So you already know what the vibes is, man. Though I pick up a can, give y'all boys a little POV, daytime drive. That's really about it for real. I'm currently on my way to court right now, actually. So, yeah. I had to call out of work. I had court. And I got fucking... Like, when you get tickets in a different county, then you gotta go to that county, handle them tickets. Like, bro, it's just a whole bunch of shit. But yeah, I'm currently on my way to some Long Island shit. Handle my tickets and shit. But yeah, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You gotta pay to play, you know what I'm saying? Let's hear this car a little bit, though. I'm currently 13 minutes from the courthouse. Yeah. Oh my god, everybody's driving retarded. Oh my days. He's a monster. He's a monster. Days. He's a monster. You definitely gotta be out here, be careful out here in these Long Island areas though. Them state boys be tucked up, boy. I'm telling you. You gotta watch out for them state boys. They be over there in the cut, tucked. Especially when it's nice out, feel me? They know traffic flowing. Then it's like, yeah, I already know a couple motherfuckers on this shit speeding. So they be tucked up in the cut and shit. Y'all watch out for them boys. But other than that, man, shit's sweet, man. We here pushing out this content for y'all boys. Ooh, little turbo spew. Okay, okay. Sheesh. Do your homework on the Dunkin' though. You know I had to fuck that up before court. You know how that goes. Yo, summertime is approaching, y'all. Like, every day is getting nicer, you know what I mean? Summertime's approaching, weather getting nice. Content about to go crazy, yo. I'm telling y'all, content really about to go crazy. Sheesh. Can really handle, like, oh my days, this shit can take turns. So I'm seeing a little yellow on the map, so I think that could mean somebody is stopped ahead. Let's see if I'm right though, or this shit could just be tweaking. Oh no, it cleared up, so I'm chatting, because that's how it be sometimes, chat. Sometimes that should just be red and yellow. Is because somebody either pull over or accident up ahead, yo. Majority of the time, yo, it's dead because a nigga pulled over. Oh God. Oh, so this was probably what it was. I don't know. They just be doing that shit for any. I don't know. I don't know, chat. Oh. My dad gotta get over. Yeah, boy, I gotta get over my brother. I'm sorry, but we just gotta figure it out. That's it. That's it. That's it. I just wish nobody was here. I'll take this turn at like a buck. Nah, I'm chatting. That shit would have ended up over there, nigga. Fucking car would have been rolled over there if I took this shit at a buck. I was really thinking about changing this shit to a short shifter because I'm not gonna lie, if I want to like be faster, I gotta catch gears a little faster, you know what I mean? Like, this car really has some long throws, like long throws. If y'all don't know, chat, my old car, I had a few Type R's in the Honda Type R's, right? So the throws on that car is a little bit shorter than this, so that means you can shift a little faster, see what I'm saying? But I don't know, the throws on this shit kind of, oh, what the fuck? That nigga, whoop that nigga back there. But now the throws on this is a little long, so it's like it takes longer to get it into gear. But you know, little mod, get a little short shifter, catch a little gears faster. Fuck what I'm saying. Fuck them automatic boys. Automatic to my dick. Fuck's we talking about? Hello. Real niggas drive manual. Gallual, I meant. I feel like there's this X5M behind me. Or just a big ass white SUV behind me. He's fake on my peen. Like I said, chat, gotta be careful out here. Them state boys be watching. Shift under the tunnel action, chat. You like that? Eh? Little downshift under the tunnel. They said, Chef, he's a monster. Yo, I cracked myself up, boy. Chef, he's a monster. I'll probably fuck around and drop this video today. I ain't gonna lie. I got a few videos that I got lined up that's just sitting, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably just gonna drop all them shits. Fuck it, right? Fuck it, it is what it is. Whoa. My exit coming up, chat. My exit coming up, chat. Yo, my fault, man. I'm oh shit. Oh, X4. Yada yada, he got a few, you know what I'm saying, numbers and letters on his shit. This is my exit, chat. State boys. Oh, shit. Gotta be careful for them state boys. I know they're lurking. Oh, lifetime? Okay. Alright, chat. Your boy just got to court. And yeah. Hopefully, you know, these nice people let me keep my license and shit, chat. You know what I mean? Let me just show you out the car a little bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's the scene right now.